Hi guys, how are you? I want to show you guys what I made for dinner today. Let's grab it. I made black beans, frijoles. Yummy. That's done. Over here. Hold on, Joanna.
Hi.
How you feeling today?
Good.
You got your teeth fixed, huh?
Mhm.
Let me see your face still swollen. Let me see. Look at me. No, you're getting better. What you doing? You see all the dishes? This Xavier, he helps wash the dishes at home. They all have chores to do. One throws the trash out, the other one does the dishes, and look, white rice. So it's white rice, frijoles, and over here, simmered chicken breast. No, you can't see because of the steam. Yep, but simmered chicken breast. Yeah, and that's my dinner for today. Healthier than yesterday. Alright, see ya. Say bye. Okay, bye guys.